now. It's a little crooked. Hi,
friends.
Should I put mine on?
Should I have done my hair? No, I'm gonna shower. Go.
Hey, we're camping. We're gonna have a campfire. This towel needs washed. Hey guys, can you say hi?
Oh, hi.
So guys, happy Memorial Day weekend. Welcome to our vlog.
I look like I did whenever I was 12 in your videos. And I was just texting him like, sorry, and not being rude.
She's sending pictures. We just went and looked at a house. I tried to film a clip on my phone and it was just not happening. She just went and looked at a house and obviously took me along, and her realtor is very funny. It's a husband and wife, and the guy is so funny because he's always like, where the guys are never here, it's always you two.
He is he's definitely like good for us. He just makes us giggle. It's
a good fit. Now we're going to town. So it's Thursday. Memorial Day is obviously Monday. And we are going to run errands to get everything we need, like food. Oh, we have to look for hammocks.
Yeah, around here Memorial Day is Christmas.
They're camping in a tent in at their dad's house, but it is vacation. I love it. So yes, it should be good. I think it's gonna be a little rainy this weekend. Hopefully it's not too bad.
Last year it rained every single time we put our tents up. Every single time without fail.
But honestly, I will link our tents down below. Yeah, it does not leak at all. And mine has a hole in it, so, which was fault of my own. So anyway, we're just gonna take you along. It's Memorial Day, so let's go. Can I take the camera in?
Yeah, when you were putting it down, oh, I'm starved. Starved to the point where I can feel my ribs.
She's so dramatic. We're
going to McDonald's.
We have some groceries there. The trunk is full. Courtney's trunk was full before we started, so that's weird.
Do you remember going to Sam's Club in your Subaru and you literally had zero space and Mom bought the entire store?
That always happens. We're going to get Courtney food, then we're going to pick, we have to go to Beer Barn.
This car's gonna wait for me.
And we need to go pick the keg up. So,
McDonald's, Beer Barn, keg.
Yep. We got our goodies.
No more, I had fries too.
And now we're at Beer Barn.
No, I'm fine with that angle. I don't really want to be in there very much. No, that's too much.
Oh no, I put ketchup in my hair. Oh no. Courtney.
I don't know, but it's still there. Oh, okay.
I'm really crying.
I don't even know what happened.
Come to the conclusion that we're terrible vloggers.
You're a terrible vlogger.
Well, we got what we were looking for. I'm not sure it's gonna be any good. Wanted to try that this weekend.
You know what was funny? Sorry. Also, this is why we're terrible vloggers, because I just can't help myself from talking. Your video of your room thing, whenever you were trying to zoom in on that thing in your closet, and it was going so slow.
Did I have to speed that up?
No, and you didn't even focus on it. You're like, oh, never mind.
Oh. We just went to Beer Barn, and now we're going to Buy Right? Is that what it's called? And we're picking up the keg.
Do we have to say the names? I mean, people probably don't know.
Find me if you want to.
Only one Buy Right now.
Okay. Probably got the ice. Courtney's waiting for the keg. Keg secured. Courtney secured.
We're now heading to my dad's house. Paige forgot her camera, so I'm gonna deliver it to her.
Oh, hi! Funny meeting you here.
Hey. He said hi. Paige left her camera. I'm gonna take it to her now.
I'm at my house now. Put my groceries in my house. Courtney's in her car. And we are going out to Dad's to unload all of like the groceries and the cold stuff, put in the fridge, put ice on the keg, and then we're going our separate ways for a couple, like an hour-ish to get our stuff ready for camping. And then we're gonna go back out when our husbands come home and set up our tents and stuff. Okay, we're out at my dad's. My voice isn't working. I don't know where my sister went.
What's happening? I thought we were just gonna carry it like normal people.
Courtney goes, we're the coolest wives. And we're underappreciated. Ah. Okay, watch the go.
Okay, maybe we should just put that clip in. Let's do it at the same time. Okay, you didn't think you needed more than a 3-inch hole?
That's the keg. Hey vlog. Coming to you live with an update from Sechler's garage. What are we doing, Maxer?
Fueling up the bikes.
Pretty much everything packed except for the bikes. So like I said before, our tent goes in the bed of the truck. So my car has all of like the pillows and blankets. bag for dog stuff, like clothes, chargers, speakers, hammock, and then all of our riding gear is in Max's truck. Wait.
Hey.
Break. Wave. Okay, bikes are unloaded. Now we are putting up the truck tent. We're gonna do a little, might not go as smooth as we want it to, but we're gonna set the camera up and you can see how we put our truck tent up. Progress update. It took a bit. This front one is always the hard part, but she's up. Dad's over there setting up his camper. Me and Colin came. Colin's moving the truck. Paige and Max are putting up their tent. My dogs are running around like loonies. Hi vlog.
Show them your dog.
Here's Haven. Oh, honey, come here. Show him Auntie Paige's shoe.
Let's get more for the weekend.
Okay, Courtney's tent is up. Taylor and Molly are setting up their tent. Dogs are still running around.
The dedication, bro.
Got it. Puppy cup.
Did you pump it?
Try it.
Did you have to pump it?
Let's fill one of these so we can see if it's found.
It's definitely gonna be fun.
I started choking, and then that was really it.
Hi Max, smile. All my friends together.
Haven just wants to run. Haven easy. Owen's not used to a dog bigger than 4 pounds. She's used to lots of nibbling out her head. Wow, I look so much cuter in this seat than I did on that seat.
Yeah, I'm sensing that. It's giving a lot of
body. We had some raspberry milkshakes after we went to Mexican, and we already got Mexican. So we'll be shitting our brains out later.
Calories don't count this weekend.
Calories never count. And we went to Walmart
And paid full price for large bags of ice. 4 of them. Because our keg is in water.
That's true. Every time, someone is always calling us.
Hey Colin.
Hey,
We're so popular.
How's it going?
Hey, Chelsea.
good.
What you doing?
Where are you at?
Sheets drive through. Where are you at? Vlog update. We have bags of ice and the 4-wheeler. Ow! The girls are here. Hey Lola. Lola girl. Hi. Say hi, Cole.
Hi, Cole.
Hi, Cole.
Hi, honey. Hi. Hi, Havy. She's right here.
He's not as good as me, Haven.
Martas are tapping out. All of them in one hammock. What brand is this? We would give it a good review. We'll link it down below.
From Walmart.
Hi, Havy. Hi, honey. Colin is in the tree. Current update. Jenna Miller has arrived. My husband came back. Max, how you feeling, guy?
I'm feeling amazing. I started the car.
Kim's home from work. Courtney's here. Colin's here.
Paige.
Wait.
They have a book section there. Yeah.
He's over. Watch my wiener fall off.
I get to know at the red, white, and blue stores when we go.
Hi. We're setting up for movie night.
He's a bully. Rough family. That's alright. I know.
That was a mugshot.
What she said.
That was actually the second time.
So it's been a minute since we updated you. You might not be able to hear me. Fan vlog. Hey girls.
Hey girls, Lola's birthday today.
It is Lola's birthday
Big
today.
4-year-old.
So I didn't vlog like last evening a ton. I guess I did on my phone. My camera battery died, so I was kind of like a little bit slacking on vlogging. So it's about 1 o'clock on Saturday now, and we're going to get gas. And then we're heading out. It's Lola's birthday and then Haven's birthday. So we're gonna let the girls play a good bit and we're gonna get some lunch. And then tonight we are making chicken kebabs and baked potatoes, and I'm so excited for it. And are you sleeping out tonight?
Yeah.
And we're sleeping out, and then tomorrow morning is breakfast on our grills, which I have little propane tanks in the back of my car. I also have...
Are they filled?
We just bought them at Walmart, yeah, I guess. And I also have windshield washer fluid that needs to put in my car.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, that's the update. We'll see you later.
See ya.
This is our big birthday girl. Rudy, what do you think? Currently setting up the pool. How's it going, Cole? I bet. Dog goes. Hi, Lux. Hi, Rudy.
No, I just need a break. My arm. Hold on, Lucky.
Plus, it's like, what is going on?
Should be alright. She's like, Dad, really?
I definitely think she's going to.
Her head on your arm.
What is it?
You don't want to go, no.
What do you say?
What do we got going on here, kids?
Potatoes.
Dave is on potato transport duty. Taylor's delivered a grill. Wow, this is so... Oh! We switched everything to inside because it's supposed to thunderstorm and potentially help. My sunglasses!
I think I'm just gonna put this whole thing on there.
Half. How much beer is left?
How's it cooking today?
I figured there was like a whole keg left. That's all I said.
Max, drink it. Okay, hi guys.
Day number 3?
Can't see our heads.
Is it day 3?
What day is it? Sunday.
Kinda.
Yeah, it's day 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just brought our girls back home. And we are going to swing by the Family Dollar next to our house, get ice because the keg is almost gone. And then we're going back out to make breakfast on our little griddles. All of us have them. So we're gonna make breakfast, I think. But it does not sound like the rest of the campsite is awake. My sister is. But otherwise, I don't think so.
So yeah, that's the plan for this morning.
I was sleeping in the tent for your first night.
Oh, it was awesome. Except when the sun came up, then it got really hot.
It did get really hot. That's why we got up as early as we did, because 2 dogs, a beer fart husband, and minimal ventilation because they were calling for rain, so we had everything sealed up. So, not ideal. All right, we're doing breakfast in the garage. I don't think it's gonna rain, but we all got griddles for Christmas that we're using. Max, let's see your hair. How'd the griddle work for you?
They are not.
Can I see you? Hi, we have a little bit of singed hair. We didn't use ours. Another little griddle. Is it going over here? Little electric skillet. Sausages are cooking.
My hair is
Dad. Making some bacon. Some sausages over here. Graham, say hi. Hi. You're so cute. Dad, how are the potatoes doing?
They're butter. Hi, Paige.
And eggs are coming later. Forgot to vlog, but we just got back from riding. We're hot. That was the first I've ridden my dirt bike in a while.
It was so fun, no accidents.
Wait.
Decided that was the most efficient way of doing it.
He can't get me now.
Jake's like, oh, I'm not sure about this.
He's really curling my wrist here.
Okay.
I should be taking a video.
All right.
Gotcha. Yep.
Holy shit.
It's like the greatest thing in the world. So we got the
Tear down day.
Hi guys, I'm holding these things up. Last day is actually Memorial Day, and we are tearing everything down. Sad day.
Uh-huh.
Max is eating cheese out of his teeth.
Yeah.
There's some cheese on your thing.
Breakfast.
So we'll show you like one last little pin over. My brother pulled his truck forward to dry his tent out. It rained last night, so we didn't actually sleep out. We were here till like
1 o'clock.
1 a.m. but didn't sleep out. So we're gonna clean up. There's our little guy. There's Court and Collins. I don't know where my dad's at, but yep. We're gonna take everything down, load up the bikes. We have a mess to clean up at home. It is windy, holy moly. Honestly, this should be an ad for these tents. Did you see how windy it is? Like, look at the trees.
Look at their tent.
Yeah, it does really good.
Yeah.
Good. You people get my